All right, in this video, we're going to solve each equation. It's got variables on both sides, but these are going to be a little different than in the previous video. Let's see why. So in example 1, first thing, got to distribute the 5. So 5 times x is going to give me 5x. 5 times 1 is positive 5 equals, and then on the right-hand side, I got to distribute this 3. So 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Minus 10x. All right, so on the left-hand side, I'm just going to leave this as 5x plus 5 for right now. On the right-hand side, I'm going to combine some like terms. 15x minus 10x, that's going to give me 5x. And then this minus 12 is just coming down, chilling for right now. So now we got to get our variables on one side. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. But here's an issue. Notice what happens. Our x's cancel out on both sides, leaving me with 5 equals negative 12, which is not true. Okay, this is a false statement. All right, 5 will never equal negative 12. The variables canceled out, and what we were left with is a false statement. Therefore, this equation has no solution. All right, sometimes we'll write it as NS. No solution. There is no value for x, where if I plug it in, the left-hand side will equal the right-hand side. No solution. All right, what about number 2? What's going to happen here? So I'm going to distribute the 3. So 3 times 2b, that's 6b. 3 times negative 1 is minus 3. This minus 7 just drops for right now. And then the other side is 6b minus 10. All right. On the left-hand side, I'm going to combine my like terms. So 6b, negative 3 minus 7 is minus 10. Equals 6b minus 10. All right, right here, you might notice that they're the same on both sides. You might notice that the left-hand side and the right-hand side are the exact same, 6b minus 10. All right, so what happens now if we get our variables on one side? If I subtract 6b from both sides, the b's, once again, are going to cancel out. And what we're going to be left with is negative 10 equals negative 10. This is a true statement, an always true statement. Negative 10 will always equal negative 10. All right, so this doesn't have no solution. This has infinitely many solutions. Okay? We may sometimes write this as IMS. Infinitely many solutions. What that means is any number, any value that you plug in for B, the left-hand side will always equal the right-hand side. Okay? So these special solutions are when our variables get eliminated. Okay, so if our variables get eliminated, we need to look, are we left with a false statement or are we left with a true statement? All right, if it's a false statement, that's no solution. If it's a true statement, that's infinitely many solutions. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, I'm going to scroll down, check out those You Try Nows. Let me know if you have any questions.